How y'all doing? Just want to say happy Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying? Been doing a little writing today. Thinking about some things I'm thankful for. Peep game. I'm thankful for awakening and breathing every day. I'm thankful for smoking good ass weed in every J. I'm thankful for the weather even when it's gray. Best believe I'm thankful for every word I say. Maybe you heard I strayed away from my visions. I never strayed yet I stay thankful for willpower and decisions. Thankful it's great to grow, elevate the flow ratio. Thankful for the love plus the ones who hate me so. Creativity that be giving me the natural rush. Plus some sense of liberty with versatility, agility stages I crush. Blazing's a must, though thankful I no longer drink yet. Sometimes I still rage and I cuss. These rappers in La La Land as if they blaze in the dust. Rhyme against freestyles are fucking 9 and 10. Feeling fine within hip-hop lyrical purist. Fuck the radio who lies to them. If you fall down, lift yourself up and try again. I'm still on that green, this ain't no Heineken. Thankful to God the music keeps me smiling. Thankful I executed demons to find peace and prosperity, spiritual clarity for lyrical therapy, and the Lord above makes me feel like I swear I'm free. Happy Thanksgiving, eat lots of turkey. Flynn Diesel, baby. You know what I'm saying? Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Thankful for every blessing that you have. The good coffee, the good friends, the good family, the good Lord above. Make sure to tell your loved ones how thankful you are this Thanksgiving. And R.I.P. to Octavius Berry, SB the 6th Street Bully, League shit, and all the other fallen soldiers. R.I.P. to all of y'all. And make sure to think about what you were thankful for this holiday season. One love from your boy, Flynn Diesel. I love y'all.